Could it be, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. If anybody has been doing any fishing in and around the area, no matter where you are, you're gonna notice a lot of the local places, your box stores, your Walmarts and stuff. There's a lot of fishing tackle that is just plain old missing, and it's just amazing what people are going through during the virus that they have discovered a new hobby. So hopefully, maybe I can help you guys out a little bit. So we got some worms, we got some stuff. We're in a new location, we're in a new car, and I've got new underwear. All right, maybe old underwear, but even still, let's do some fishing. If you can see there, I'm zoomed all the way in. There's a cormorant there. He's obviously looking at something. And that's another thing you have to really look out for too, is what the local birds are doing. He's not sure which side to go on. Mr. Cormorant. He knows something I don't. Probably knows the fish aren't here. This is something. Another pumpkin seed maybe? Ooh. Yes it is. A nice little pumpkin seed. Very, very pretty fish. It's like we found a little school of pumpkin seeds here in the corner. Right in front of me. Looks like a lot of creek chub. There's a school of something. Wow. Let's see what these guys are. What is this? Holy crap. Let's get a big close up here. We have a little largemouth cruising here. I'm seeing little bait fish. They have stripes on the side. Not sure what they are exactly, but tiny micro largemouth, but there is definitely something in front, so this ought to be interesting fishing today. See you later, dude. I think there is a nice healthy population of pumpkin seeds here. Oh, geez, dude, you ruined my camera. Okay. Just hooked onto something through the lipless crankbait. And what is it? I have snagged myself. Actually, I did catch it. Pumpkin seed. Excuse me, sir. Slight mishap here. I really like two-piece rods. I hate when they do this. Oh! What do we have? Can everyone say it? Bait stealer, yes. Little bluegill. Oh my goodness. This one, to make sure I wash my hands when I go home. This guy has a lot of damage here around his eye. It's probably not from me. That's a shame. Sorry, dude. And a negatory. We're gonna throw it. Let's throw it right here by the base of the dam. Well, it was there. It's gotta be something small. Took half my worm. Ooh! What is that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Something different. Could it be? He jumped too. Yes, there he is again. The elusive largemouth bass. See, I knew there was something down there, over there, by the base of the dam swimming around. Little largie. These guys are out here somewhere. See you, dude. He jumped too. That was a good catch. Another one. What could this be? What could this be? What are you? A rather aggressive looking redbreast, I believe. Hello. How are you? What do you like? Do you like cheesesteaks? Yes, I do. That's something. Ooh, what is this? I feel a definitive head shake. Almost feels like a cat. Whatever it is no sunfish. That is for sure. For sure. Yes! The dreaded catfish. Look at the size of this guy. I'm not talking about the size in general. Look at his stomach. Holy crap. This guy has certainly been well fed here. Now, if you notice, the sun is starting to come down. So I guess their activity level's coming up. Hello. You do have to watch with the catfish. I've never had an incident with them. I have always been taught that you have to be careful with their spines. I've never been really spined by one. But if you go out, just be careful. Look at how fat he is. Fatty, fatty. Fatty, fatty. They have a very toothy front right there. They don't have teeth. Very toothy. I'm gonna get another picture here for our home audience. Very nice. Goodbye. I can't tell you how many countless fishing expeditions I've done, and this is basically what I wind up doing, is catching whatever the hell is below here. I don't know what this is. What is it? Could it be something different? I think it is. What is it? Oh my goodness. Check this out. I believe this is a fall fish. Oh. This is a rather nice size. I'm gonna say it's a fall fish or a creek chub. Definitely something different. Nice catch for today. Maybe I'll see if I can get a quick picture of it. How do you lip these guys? Could it be, ladies and gentlemen? Yes! Yes, ladies and gentlemen! For his final appearance today, Mr. Largemouth Bass. Thank you very much, sir. I saw him. It's funny because I saw him swimming. Not a big one, a little dink, but even still. Even still. A bass is a bass. Is a bass is a bass. I don't know if there's more down here too. Let me get another quick shot of him. For the Facebook, if you're not on Facebook, please, you can like and subscribe to Fishing Pole on Facebook. I don't know, he's maybe what, 4 inches, 5 inches, but a bass nonetheless. I did see a black line in the water, and that's usually indicative of a largemouth. So quick catch and release. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, sir. As I must say. Let's see if there's more of these healthy guys laying at the base. I'm hoping to catch something different. So we'll swing all the way on that side. We're getting out of reach to where the cane pole couldn't quite make it. There's one right there. Whee! Cost a lot of money for that ride. He's gonna throw up in a second after I throw him back in. Yeah, just another, looks like another smaller pumpkin seed. Did I lose the bait? No. Ooh, threw it right in the foam. Let's see if that has any effect on anything. I have 2 split shot on. I'm also fishing with a chartreuse bead, one of my favorite things to use. Now, might be calling it a day soon. It was a fun day, I'm not going to lie. Caught 3 little bass, caught a fall fish, I think it's a fall fish. 1 fat catfish, a bunch of pumpkin seeds today. This is a really nice spot to fish, especially if you just want to leave the house for a while. I suspect that's why you go to the store and you see a lot of places just obliterated with all the fishing gear. So I had a fun day. I hope you had fun watching this. Please like and subscribe. Any ideas, post them, give me some comments. I would love to do a lot more than what I'm doing right now. I consider myself an average everyday fisherman, but lately I've been upping my game. I like to investigate new things, catch different fish. I don't like to sit on the side with my beach chair and take off. That's not me. If you like what you see, please like. Thanks for watching, everybody. There's Robin. I can only find Batman now.